Another beautiful day to work in the shop. Today I think I'm gonna mess with the Kobalt planer. Say you have some wood like this. This is a 6x6 pressure treated post. It's unfinished, so I buy these because they're about 20 bucks cheaper than the nice finished ones, right? You want to smooth this out, make it nice and pretty. Take your planer. I got it set. I think that says 364s. Bag's empty, fully charged up 6. Here we go. Make a couple passes to show you how well it works. Let me give you a close-up here. I mean, look at that. Planed, unplaned. But this is what happens when you hit a screw and you chip your blade. Look at that. There's a line right down the material. Because I hit a frickin' screw. Not a nail, guys. Nails are soft. Nails don't really do much. But I hit a screw, which are hardened steel. And I totally jacked up my blade. So I'm going to have to get some new blades for this thing now. And yes, it's on both of them. It's a double blade.
But now I didn't show on film how to take the blade out, but I'll show you how to put it back. Because what I wanted to know was, is the blade double-sided? So if you take it out, so as you guys can see, I really damaged up the blade right there hitting that screw. I hit it twice. But luckily the blades are double-sided, so you can just take it out and flip it over and you got a fresh blade good to go. And these things are pretty much like a razor. I almost cut myself on them. So all I gotta do is slide that back into the little groove, clamp it down, and you're good to go. So each one of these, we have two. It's a double blade here. It's double-sided. The blade's double-sided. So all I gotta do is loosen the Allen keys and then loosen these, and it pops out, and I'll show you how to do it. I put the other one back. So make sure this is nice and cleaned out. Got no gunk in there. Alright, so this is the main piece right here. Now, let me look at the other one to get a comparison. I'm pretty sure the blade faces towards that way. So the blade points away from you. So I want it to go in like this. There you go. You can see that? Goes in like that. I know it's kind of boring, guys, but if anybody had any questions about this, goes in just like that. Nice fresh blade. You can see the marks on here where the Allen set keys go in there like that. So you gotta tighten these up more to get it to even slide back in place. Okay, once it's in like that, and these are the little Allen set keys, which is, these are 3/32. You're wondering what size Allen key it is? Allen wrench, whatever you want to call them. Three. So force pushing down, force pushing forward. And there we go. Nice new blade. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And it goes without being said, guys, make sure there's no damn battery in this when you're doing this. This isn't the best wrench, but you know, it's better than nothing. Of course, it doesn't say what size it is. It's pretty small. Probably right around a 1/4 inch. So you have to tilt it up like this and you can slide it out. So you keep bringing the screws in. Get it. Out. Now, mind you, doing this without trying to cut yourself open on this razor blade here. Back out. Loosen these up. There we go. See? See what I mean? So you have the 2 set screws pushing down and these 3 set screws pushing in, which keeps it aligned in this little groove. Let's find out. All right, the blades are back in, guys. But when I start it up, there's a little bit of a vibration. Can you hear this? So I'm gonna take it really slow and careful and see what happens. So it's not cutting. I feel like I definitely set the blades too shallow. So I gotta loosen them up and lift them up a little bit, which I don't. So in the deepest setting, it's barely skimming it at all. Dang it. It makes me nervous. I don't like that. Alright, she's cut now, guys, but I've set the blades too deep, so even on the very minimal, we're supposed to be nothing, it planes a lot. Very, very sharp now that I swapped the blades. Very sharp, very nice. Cuts very well. As long as you don't mess up the blades, guys, and mess with it, it's a very good planer. Now that I mess with it, I'm really pissed. I have to fine tune it, guys. What a pain in the ass. So I recommend do not taking the blades off this thing. Send it in, let somebody professional do it that's more skilled than I am. I mean, I got it, but they're not 100% level. Like the left side's up a little bit more. I mean, I can fine tune it. It's just, I was rushing it for the video. There you go, guys. That is the Kobalt 24-volt brushless planer. I like it. It works really well. There you go, guys. That was my quick review of the Kobalt 24-volt brushless planer. Now, this thing is 15,000 RPMs, so it's definitely more than the Ryobi, which is 11,000, and the rigid octane, which I want to say is 12,000. So this has 15,000 RPMs. Definitely has some power to it, guys. I do like it, especially considering it's 24 volt. You get a little extra juice out of it, not much. But the plane adjuster goes from 0, or excuse me, goes from 1/64 all the way down to 5/64. So a good depth adjustment on it. It also has a little skis on the front. The I can't even think of what it's called. The guide. There's another guide that comes on the side, so you can run it right along, make everything nice and square. A little kickstand, foot on the bottom. What else? Standard lock. comes with the onboard wrench, goes right here on the side, which is helpful if you have to change the blade. But don't touch the blade because, as you see, now I have problems with it. I gotta sit and mess with it some more. But belt fed on the side. Shows you the rotation this way. I got this last year at the Christmas sale when you had the buy the starter kit, get the free tool. So there's $169 value. I got that. It's the most expensive tool. I really like it, guys. I've been playing a lot of stuff with it. For a cordless planer, I feel like it's one of the better ones on the market. Definitely better than the Ryobi and the Rigid. I've not tried the DeWalt one. I heard that one's pretty good as well. Makita, I heard the new one's good. The old one's not so good. It's brushless, 15,000 RPM, so it's a little bit faster, which I like. Yeah, it's not adjustable. The sander is adjustable. The RPMs, this one's not. But what else? I don't know. I wouldn't pay 170 bucks for it outright, but I definitely would get it with the sale. It does take all the batteries. Takes the 4 and the 8. So that's not a problem. The 8 gives a little extra kick there. Alright guys, don't forget, hit the bell down below so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the like button so you tell YouTube that you like my content. If not, my videos just kind of fade off and die. There are tons of videos coming out for you guys. As you guys have been seeing, I've been posting a lot of head-to-heads. Short style, I know you guys really like those. Very popular. Some people don't like them, but I get more positive feedback on those than negative. So, sorry guys if you don't like the shorts. Most people do. What else? We're going to be going over all the Ryobi Day sales. Guys, killer sales going on right now. If you want to jump into any of these lines, I highly suggest you go check it out now. And yes, I got a wicked, wicked cold. That's all I'm going to say about that. Much love, guys. Until next time, see ya.